Whoa, a coffee crumb cake in a Bundt pan? Does that make it a coffee cake, a Bundt cake, or a coffee crumb cake? Follow this easy recipe curated by Chef John. Remember to like and subscribe.
Did it fall apart?
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Bake.
Not by
This is Chef.
John,
And I am Angels.
the home baker. Okay, the ingredients are very simple ingredients. We got flour, vegetable oil, brown sugar, granulated sugar, ginger, cinnamon, pecans, buttermilk, eggs, baking soda, baking powder, and salt.
Now, how is this all made? Are you gonna show us how to make this delicious coffee crumb cake?
Yeah, let's make it.
Yay! Have you made it before?
Yeah, I made it. I have made it before, and I have ate it before.
And was it good?
Yeah.
Why do you choose to make this today?
I choose it because I like this pan.
Uh-huh.
It bakes really well in this pan.
Uh-huh.
And I like the look of it, and I just like the simplicity of it. It's simple, it's easy to make at home. I don't even have to use a mixer.
Whoa, no mixer?
Everything's gonna be done by hand, and it's gonna be quick and easy, and you'll have a delicious cake and you can share with your friends and family.
That sounds awesome. Let's get going, Chef.
Let's go. Okay, so you wanna help me with this?
Yeah. Do we have to set the oven?
I have the oven set already at 325 degrees.
You're at 25 degrees.
It feels warm in here already.
Yeah, I know. All right, so...
So you wanna do this?
Yeah.
Okay,
What do I have to
let me
do?
guide you. Okay, first.
You want me to do it? You know
Yeah,
you
we're
don't.
gonna do it together.
Really? You're gonna
Yeah.
let me get my hands... Do we
Yeah.
have to wash our hands first?
Okay, wash your hands. The first step of using these dry ingredients. So if you want to, add the sugars to the flour.
Okay. We're gonna be using pecans for the recipe also, right? Did we mention that before?
Yes, we did.
Okay, so all of this?
Yeah, add all of the sugar.
Oh my God.
Just dump it in.
What kind of sugar is this?
That's brown sugar.
Let's move this over here because we just noticed that you couldn't see properly everything that was going on. So the chef is letting me do the mixing.
Add the white sugar, granulated sugar.
So no
Add the
mix.
spices.
Add the spices.
That's the ginger,
Mm-hmm.
the cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then blend that really well.
Where did you get all those mini bowls? Can we find them on Amazon? We're gonna search for something
I
similar.
believe I got them on Amazon or Streusel or something like that.
Or
Yeah, so make sure it's like evenly blended.
Can I do this? Does it work?
Okay.
How do you know I'm a noob at this? Like
Well, because like what I would normally do, like when I whisk, I turn the bowl as I whisk.
What do cats do when they whisk? They do that.
Okay, so that was good, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna set the whisk aside. Now we're gonna use your spatula. I'm gonna add the oil,
And now? Whoa.
blend everything together.
Oh my God. All that oil.
What you wanna do when you do this is go underneath it and flip up.
Whoa.
And like
Okay.
and just like we did before,
Yeah.
you want to coat all this flour with that. And you'll see the reason behind this, which it starts to look dry and crumbly, right?
Uh-huh.
Because part of this mix right now that we're doing, which is cool about this recipe and why I like to do it, is because part of this is going to be our crumb topping.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we won't need to make a separate streusel topping for this. It comes out of one recipe.
What does streusel mean?
It's like a crumb topping.
Streusel. Did you have this in Germany? Did you try, like, you lived in Germany for a couple of years, right?
Yeah.
And did you try any of these over there?
I never tried the coffee cake over there now.
When did you find out coffee cake was? Oh, we're not gonna still reveal them that. It's not time yet. Do I have to break the crumbles or no?
No, it's fine. Just like this, it's fine. Think about the crumb topping. It's nice, chunky, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we want to do is we want 3/4 of a cup.
We're setting it aside.
So take and put 3/4 of a cup of that mix in here.
Oh, bringing it back to scene one, all right? Do I have to use a spatula?
And it doesn't need to be packed, it can be loose, okay?
3/4.
3/4 to a cup. Let's shake it down a little bit.
Maybe remove those two.
Okay, that looks good.
All right.
So we're going to put that in here. This is going to be our crumb topping. And this we're going to add pecans, if you want to mix that together.
With the spatula.
Yep.
Do you know how to say spatula in Spanish?
No.
Can you say
Spatulate?
it? Espátula.
Oh, really?
Say it.
A spatula?
Espátula.
Espatula.
Espátula.
Espatula.
Can you say it? Espátula.
Espatula.
I feel like Dora the Explorer. Espátula.
While you're doing that, I'm going to give this a quick spray with a pan spray.
Uh-huh.
If there's any pan spray you have.
Any pan spray, all right.
Anything that will keep it from sticking.
Like I want Flu Gras to make our own pan spray so that it tastes delicious. Isn't that a good idea? Like a Flu Gras butter.
So now we want to take this.
You always do the opposite of what I'm doing. Clearly, I have no clue what we're doing.
Well, we're going to bake, it's going to be like an upside down cake. So the streusel is going to be on the bottom. So we're going to put that
Do you have to do it upside down?
in here.
This is confusing. Can I get a shot of
And
this?
we don't need to push it down or anything. We just
Hold on, Paul Hollywood.
Paul Hollywood.
Yeah. I recently
People
found
say
out.
I look like him.
Yeah, you do.
did. You said I look like him.
You do, because I recently found out about him.
Yeah, old
He's in
gray hair
MasterChef
guys
in
look
the
alike.
UK.
All great, old gray hair guys.
You're a little
look
bit
alike.
younger than him, but yeah.
Okay,
Play with the streusel a little bit.
so now we're going to set this aside. Everybody see that?
All right. You
Now
need
we're going to mix the rest of our stuff. So now we're going to add our baking soda and baking powder, our salt,
You just sounded like a parrot. We're gonna add our baking soda.
as the pirates would say, our.
Our.
Okay. And if you wanted to use this in a mixer, you could. But I don't feel like getting our mixer dirty today. Do you?
No, because I don't feel like washing it. I'm here. I'm just holding the camera. I'm the camera girl. This is how
So
I
we
learn.
want to make sure that this is blended in really well.
Okay, so that's not like the crumble. That has to be actually well
Yeah, the
blended.
crumble has no baking soda, no baking powder in it, so no eggs, no buttermilk. Okay, so now we got that blended good, and we're gonna keep mixing because we're gonna add an egg. For this recipe, it's 1 large egg,
Uh-huh.
1.75 ounces of egg.
Perfect.
Okay, it's still kind of stiff.
That's what she said.
And now we're gonna add the buttermilk. A little bit at a time. I would add like half of it, and we'll come back and add the other half. What did you say? That's what she said. See, now it's starting to look like a cake mix, right?
Wow.
It's really easy recipe to make.
Well,
And
to you everything is easy because you're a pastry chef.
okay,
To
So
me,
that's
Rice
it.
Rice
And a
Krispie
little-
treats is easy.
we'll add the rest of the buttermilk. You know what? I'm gonna scrape the rest of that.
Oh. That's gonna make the cake very moist, right?
Yeah, the buttermilk is going to give it a little bit of extra flavor. If you wanted to, since we're not putting butter in this mix, it's oil, you could replace the buttermilk with oat milk and it would be completely dairy free.
Whoa, that's a cool tip. So if you're a vegan, or like you're on a diet, or you're like lactose intolerant, it's a very cool tip, chef.
So now we have a really smooth batter.
It's amazing.
So then we just pour that over our streusel.
Whoa. Oh, that was an up-close shot. I'm missing all the good shots.
And that's it.
Wow, bring it closer to the camera.
Ready for the oven.
Oh, it's moving.
Oops.
Perfect. Beautiful.
Okay, so we have this at 325, or we're going to check it in about 40 minutes.
Now let's open the oven. Johnny G.
Forget about
Kill
it.
Johnny G.
Forget about it.
Can you kill Johnny G? Okay.
I'm
is
making
the
a cake
ready?
for the family.
Okay.
I'm not here to joke around. I got things to do. Do
Okay.
you want to get this cake done? Or
Let's get the cake done.
Let's get the cake done.
How many seconds do we have?
We have 0 seconds. We're ready to rock this
All right.
thing.
Let me get the phone. Dun dun dun.
Bum, 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 bum.
You're gonna hate yourself if you look at this.
Because you're not going to put it on there.
Yeah, I don't. You know what I did. It burned again. Is it burnt or is it?
Look at that Bundt cake.
Oh, I like big buns and I cannot lie.
You like big buns?
I like big buns. So, do you have to unmold it now or wait until it cools down a little bit?
We can cool it down a little bit.
Like how little bit? Give a little bit. Oh wow, that's the texture of it. Can I touch it?
See, it bounces back up.
Yeah. So that's when it's ready.
Yeah. Ooh, no, ah.
This works. Okay, we're gonna mold it. You know, this is like a total slow motion shot, right?
Okay.
Okay. You're gonna burn your hands.
Yeah.
It's gonna
You
fall.
ready?
Yeah. You're gonna burn your hands, chef.
Yeah. We're gonna do it for the people. We're gonna burn our hands. Ready?
Yeah.
Did it fall apart?
I think so. Try again.
What's that look?
Like no. Yeah, I think this side is stuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wow, I thought it was all broken. Show me the mold. It's perfect.
That's Nordicware. It's a very good pan.
Wow, that's the perfect unmolding. It's so exciting. The difference is in the Bundt pan. Bring your cake to the next level by getting the Nordicware Heritage Bundt pan on Amazon. Click on the description area. This coffee crumb cake looks Amazing.
And I think with this Nordicware pan and this bake, it gives it a whole different look.
Yeah.
It looks really nice with these wedges in
Serrated
there.
wedges, yeah.
And like if you were to give this to friends and family, like a gift or something, I think they'd be impressed.
It's mind blowing. I thought it was all broken when he was removing it, and I'm like, no, it's not. It was perfect. We showed them all. It was amazing. Amazing. Now I think it's time we try it.
Okay.
Wow. Perfect slice. Oh, came out beautiful. Perfect edges. Perfect incision, doctor. Perfect incision. Right there. Okay. Right. This is where.
Streusel. It's always the best part. Coffee cake.
Crumb cake.
Tea cake.
Delicious.